Hello and welcome to Space Bus 249. We are currently approaching our final stop, planet YouTube. If you'd like to know how to achieve on said planet, please stay tuned. Before we start, there are many ways to use YouTube to achieve your goals. You do not have to be a YouTuber. You can create thumbnails, intros and outros, edit videos, provide props, dress creators, share your ads on videos and other forms of promotion, etc. But these tips are specifically for YouTubers, whether you're a new YouTuber or you want to create an account, or you are an existing YouTuber who just wants new information. These are all my words. They're just tips I wish I got all at once before I started, and I want to share them with you guys. Now, they're not in any particular order, but I will be starting with the first few things you need to do. So please get a pen, a book, or whatever you use to take notes, and let's get started. Think about a channel name and create a new Gmail account. The reason for this is you do not want the same email you use to send out resumes or do business to be associated with your channel, especially if you're planning on using a pseudonym or a nickname. Plan what your channel will be about. Your channel should be based on what you like to do, what you're learning, your everyday life, your struggles, you being entertaining or informative, etc. You can be specific where you have, for example, a commentary channel where you talk about current events. You can also have multiple channels, but be specific on each. Or you can be like my channel where I am not specific, but I have playlists for specific types of videos. The theme or look of your channel. That is your banner, intro, outro, profile pic, your appearance, background, the music, etc. I'd advise you to choose a theme and make everything cohesive. Also, try to steer away from stereotypes. Everything does not have to be pink or blue or drippy or swirly. Consistency, which I define as how often you'll be able to post. If not daily, it is best to put specific days when you will upload so people can check in on you, because not all the time people who have notifications on get notified. For example, everyone subscribed to my channel don't always get notifications, but they know I post on a Wednesday and Saturday, so they can check on those days and something will always be there. Do not go long periods without posting or making any updates. Take a page from the book of the Queen of YouTube, Jenna Marbles. She is so consistent that whenever she needs to take a break, she makes a video to let you know she will not be making a video. Some other YouTubers, they don't post for a year, then they come back with no explanation, and it's like, they have no respect for their audience. Video quality. Try to get a camera. If you can't afford it, use the back camera on your phone. The back camera usually has the best quality. Next for video quality is lighting. Natural light is great and it's free, but it's only available certain times during the day and it's not always ideal. So additional lighting, for example, a ring light is a very good tool. Do not go out and buy a whole photography studio kit with umbrella lights and all that great stuff unless you can definitely afford to. Background. You need a clutter-free environment. You can have a spot that you film in, or you can just get a green screen so you can put it up anywhere. You do not want to be bringing the person in, engaging, touching their hearts. Then they look to the right and they become distracted for the rest of the video. They didn't hear anything you said past 2 minutes. All right, you want them to be engaged from start to finish. Then you want them to like the video and you want them to subscribe to your channel. Audio quality. Try to have your surroundings as quiet as possible when you record. I cannot relate because I live in a predominantly black country and you know the vibes. Now, you definitely need a mic. I see a lot of YouTubers using the Blue Yeti microphone, but I do not have one, so I will not be recommending it because I've never used it. I do have one of the lavalier ones. Whatever you're buying, that you go online, please check the reviews, okay? If they seem robotic, repetitive, or are mostly negative, then do not purchase. Otherwise, you can just use your regular earphone mic. That works as well, and that's what I'm using. Another thing I want to add to audio quality is appropriate music and volume. If you're doing a video on how you got converted into a certain religion and how your life is better now, I do not expect your background music to be rock and roll, heavy metal, highway to hell vibes. Also, the music should not be competing with or overpowering your speaking voice. Be spontaneous with your content. It is great if you are known for something, but it's even better if you're known to be spontaneous. Okay, if you're a makeup channel, for example, and you come on YouTube every day and you beat your face, you use the same eyeshadows, the same palettes, the same everything, and you just beat your face. Eventually, people are gonna get bored. Okay, so try to do different activities within that same space. Another example, if you're a mechanic, and every video you're working on the same car, people are gonna get bored. Try to work on a boat, try to work on a plane, try to work on stuff, try to do a mechanics quiz, something within that same space of you being a mechanic, but a little bit different from you just like fixing cars every day. Intro video. Now, you do not need an intro video, but if you want one, you can do it yourself or get it professionally done. Just make sure it reflects what your channel will be like. When you click on my channel, you expect to see a rock star, and here I am. Okay, your intro should be directed at the first time viewer. It should be attention grabbing, creative, well edited, and concise. Recently I watched a video and the person's intro was 51 seconds. It was just a still photo, no music, no nothing, just a still photo standing up. And I wanted to give the person some advice, which is the only reason I sat through 51 seconds of a photo. All right, I'd say 10 seconds the most when doing an intro. Mine are 7 seconds each. You don't want your video to be annoying from the start because people will not watch until the end. They will definitely not subscribe. Attention spans are getting less and less as we progress technologically, so please keep that in mind. All right, let's say your intro is 30 seconds. All right, and I've seen so many of my fellow small YouTubers do this. You got pictures from prom, graduation, your wedding, last Sunday at church, you at the beach, you driving, your Instagram page, your Facebook page. The first time viewer is sitting there for the 30 seconds, the 50 seconds, the 1 minute, and your pictures are just floating across the screen, You're beautiful, you're handsome, but do you have a watch? Okay, do you have a watch? All right, so please, 10 seconds or less, and get to the video. We're here for the video. We're not here to see where you were last week. Now for the outro, you don't need an outro either, but if you are going to make one, this can be longer than the intro. It can be 20 seconds or whatever. You already engaged the audience all the way to the end, so you have nothing to worry about. Just make sure it's at least 5 seconds so you can add the end screen overlay, which is the box with the video that's coming up next and the circle thing which links to your profile. The title. Now, it should be interesting and uniquely worded. Unless you're following a trend, do not over dramatize your title, because once people realize you're capping, they're not going to trust you or anything else you post. And especially if you are a small YouTuber, you need your reputation to be spotless, because it is harder to forgive you if you're relatively unknown. Where small YouTubers like myself Always include your channel name in the title. It is easier to find your channel if your name is in the title as well. Check the title on this video to see what it actually looks like. It is essentially the title of your video, a word or two in brackets or asterisks, and a separator line, then the name of the channel. Now, the reason for this is because someone might search for your channel, and if there are others with the same channel name as you, it is easier to find you. Upload all your videos privately. This is when you would go into the YouTube Studio app or on the web, and you can change the thumbnail, the title, description, make it available for kids only or adults only, etc. When you've proofread and you are satisfied, you can go ahead and change the video from private to public, so whoever wants to see it can. Also, when it's public, that's when you can go back into the studio only on web, not on the app, and you can add the end screen. Do not beg for subscribers. What is for you can never not be for you. As Jamaican people say, "Wa fio can be unfio." I've seen a lot of begging. This can be in one of three main ways, and I'll list those three for you right now. You can tell me in the comments if you are a victim or a perpetrator. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Jake the Boss at Jake the Boss on Instagram. Go ahead and subscribe. You don't know who the hell I am, but definitely go ahead and like this video. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Comment below. #JakeGang. And it's too much. It's too much. Okay. And that's the first one. Number 2, do not do sub for sub. Sub for sub is basically you subscribe to another YouTuber's channel. They subscribe to yours. They watch nothing. They just subscribe, and then YouTube removes the subscription, because how do you even subscribe to someone you've never seen a video? You know, how do you know you like them? How do you know their content isn't them babies, you know, promoting? You know, you will never know. So do not do sub for subs. Watch people's content, like it, and subscribe. You don't like it, don't subscribe. Hit that dislike button real quick. Okay? Or just don't do anything. Just go to another video. All right? Do not do sub for sub. The third way I see people begging is live streams. Gain with me, live stream. Let's grow together, live stream. Level up, live stream. Live stream. Live stream. Let's gain subs, live stream. Small YouTubers grind, live stream. It is just so annoying. Live stream something entertaining so people can actually want to watch. Okay, you doing a live stream. I keep saying live stream. You doing a live stream just to trick people into coming to watch and getting watch hours. That should not be on YouTube, my friend. You should be on YouTube as a creator, an artist, someone with a mind that is just constantly working and flowing, and you have so many ideas that you're just constantly just, you know, churning out ideas, churning out videos, and just doing great. If you find yourself just completely at a block and stuff, take a break. You know, if you feel like you just can't do it, stop. Okay? You're embarrassing yourself by constantly doing all these live streams, begging people to support you. These people don't know you. You're trying to trick them into watching this live stream and basically tricking them into getting you to your 4,000 watch hours, and that's not the right way to do it. Make good content, make entertaining content, make informative content, and post your stuff, and people will subscribe. Using hashtags. Now, if you're a channel that does a specific type of videos, you can jot down some standard tags that you will add to every post, and then you can add more if needed. I have standard tags that I use, and then I can add more depending on the type of video that I'm doing. Also, if you already decided what your fans will be called, you can have that a hashtag for that as well. Mine, you guys, are the Diamondgang, and every video and social media post I tag the Diamondgang. Keep in mind your title is already searchable, so don't go putting the same words that are in your title in the tags, because that's a waste. Tag new things that are relevant to your video. Do not tag things that are completely far away from your video. Like if you're doing a makeup video and I search vegan recipes, I should not be seeing your makeup video. You know? Now I don't trust you. Now I will never subscribe. I'll remember your name forever as a dishonest person. Okay? Thumbnail. Now your thumbnail must be eye-catching but relevant to your video. It makes no sense for your thumbnail to be a photo from an African safari, but your video is about 6 different foods whales eat. Okay, everything should be connected and seamless because you're essentially telling a story, and the cover to your book is your thumbnail. You can take a screen grab from your video, or you can do a separate shoot, or like what I do, you can just create a simple edit with just some words or some random, but still make it relevant to your video. Now, research is the next one, and this is a very important one. This one also links with copyright claims and copyright strikes. Now, before you create any video, unless it's an original idea, which original ideas are very overrated because someone can do the same exact thing as you did, but they did it 10 years earlier, and you never saw that in your entire life, and you can be accused of stealing because you didn't research. Okay, so if you come up with an idea, research. I recently had an idea about doing a specific video, and I was like, wow, this title is so cool, and da 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 da. And then when I looked it up, I had to change the title because it was already there, and I want my stuff to be unique to me. Now, write down pointers based on your research and cite your sources. Also link your sources in your description, talk about your sources in the video, etc. Do not steal other people's work, then put your name on it. Okay, in this video I wrote everything out of my head. I'm talking everything out of my head. The order, the wording, everything is all done by me, based, as I said, on what I learned from my time being on YouTube. So the most important thing when putting videos out there is watch time. Even though subscribers are very important, in order to become monetized on YouTube, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That is 240,000 minutes. Okay, whatever you post should not be under 10 minutes long. The YouTube algorithm favors 10-minute videos. Remember, quality content is a breeze to watch. So once you plan what your videos will be about and every aspect of your video is smooth and well edited, you will be able to keep people watching. More they watch, the more watch hours you get, the quicker you will be monetized. The more people who watch, obviously, you will also get subscribers as well. Do not hunt down subscribers and ignore video quality and watch hours, which is audience retention. I give it my own little simplified description or definition or whatever, which is if someone clicks on your video, watches it in its entirety, likes, comments, subscribes, turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video, the algorithm will basically know that people are interested in your videos, and they would most likely it would most likely push your videos more. If someone can't even bear to watch 2 of a 15-minute video that you post, you know, how do you expect the algorithm to promote it? All right. Also, let me insert this here. If I see one more nice video, new friend here, post on my videos, I am going to spaz. All right. Follow people who you like, and people who like you will follow you. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Do not tell me anything. I get every notification when everyone subscribes to my channel. When I get the notifications, I do very, very often check the channel and see what's going on. Okay? If it's somebody who's not a YouTuber, fine. If it's a YouTuber, I'll watch a video or two, check you out. If I like you, I'll subscribe. You do not have to comment on my video to say, new sub here. I got the notification. Thank you so much. My notifications are on because I literally post daily to tell people, turn on your notifications, like, subscribe, comment, share. So if I don't like and I don't subscribe and I don't comment and I don't share and my notifications are off, I'm a hypocrite, and I am not. Now for comments, my advice is during the video, ask a question that your audience can engage with you and start a discussion in the comment section. I always say to be the first person to comment and pin it. Other options are you can also ask a question as a pinned comment or reiterate the one you asked in your video. You can also pin your favorite, subscriber comment or something funny or whatever. And I'm sure that will also make someone's day, make them feel good, because I really like when people like my comment, heart my comments, and pin them. I really like that, so I do appreciate it, so I know how it feels, and I do it. The next thing is respond to comments in a timely manner. Acknowledge your supporters. They are the ones that will build your channel. If I'm watching a video, let's say I'm watching your video, and I scroll as I'm watching, and I read the comments, and if I see comments from a month ago, 2 months ago, and it's just like 5 comments, no response, no heart, no response, no nothing, I'm clicking off. Okay, I'm a very thorough person. I will watch all your ads, the entire video, like your video. I'll comment 2, 3, 4 times. I'll read your description. I'll share your video. I do all of that for almost every video, and if I'm doing all of that and then you're telling me in the video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and then I comment and I don't get a response to my comment until 2 months later, I'm not going to unsubscribe, but I'm going to turn off my notifications, and I just don't want to hear nothing from you ever again, because you don't respect me taking my time out to watch your entire video and your ads and comment and do all of this stuff for you. You don't appreciate it, so I just won't do it no more. And I've had that happen to me with a YouTuber. Really loved the content, really enjoyed it, and the person was just responding and always responding. The person got like 3 comments, 10 comments, 15 comments, and they respond to every comment and like every comment, and I was just feeling good. It encouraged me to continue to comment on each of the person's videos. Then after a while, the person started to get, instead of 10, they started to get 20, 25. And 25 is still a small amount. Now, when they get to 25, they completely just stop responding to all comments, stop liking all, stop doing all. And I find that very disrespectful. Okay, people are taking the time out of their day to watch your videos, support your channel and stuff. You can take the time out of your day to read the comment, like the comment, heart the comment, respond. It is so simple, and if you're trying to be an influencer, trying to be a YouTuber, you should be able to have 2 minutes to read through comments, like comments and stuff like that. It's very, very simple to do, and if I don't see you doing it, I know you're probably not as interested as I think you are, as I thought you were. And if you ain't interested, I'm not interested. If you like it, I love it. If you hate it, I hate it. Whenever you learn something new, make a video about it to help someone else. But before you make the video, search a title that you have in mind in different ways on YouTube to see if it has already been done, which it probably is. If it has, sell the video as I just learned this and I want to share, instead of I just came up with this, or this is shocking, which is another, thing where do not over dramatize. Do not be dramatic. It's unnecessary. If your content is great, you don't have to be fake, do the YouTuber face with the mouth wide open. You don't need to do all of that. It's just a lot. Okay. How-to videos are very popular because people use YouTube as a teacher. So if you do learn something and you want to put your little spin on it, your little twist on it, definitely share it. I will watch it. I'm here for it. Part 2 will be posted soon. In the meantime, if you have further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe in your intergalactic travels. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.